So when you will enter in your admin panel, your FinnSys admin panel, see this is the area. You see this is the area. It's written support tickets. So you can just click there, and you see this is the system which will open. Let me enlarge it and maximize it. So this will give you a clear, simple ticket system. So here you see this is a template which we have already written. So there are many number of templates from A to B and C, D. Okay, like this is query, complaint, and whatever you feedbacks, and there are few pre-decided templates. So example, I took one, and as you know, here you have to write your name, then you have to enter your email ID, and finally it's all written there. Things which are written in red has to be edited. Okay, so other things are same. It's a pre-written template. It will take less time for you to report to us. You just so these are the red mark text has to be edited by you. You can set the priority. It's if it's normal, you don't want people to rush about it, so okay, otherwise you write hi. You can attach any file, like you have any query or complaint, you can attach the screenshot and just send it there. Screenshot from your admin panel or something which you have, so you can straight away attach here. So all type of file can be attached. So that's and just click submit. That's it, and your query will reach us as a ticket. So it is very simple, friends. You don't have to use your email ID also. You can just do things from here. And this is a search window where you write any keyword you think that you are in stuck up or you need to learn about. Any keyword, like you write video, so it will give everything related to video. You write BSc, it will give everything related to BSc. And say here, like I typed FinnSys, so it gave FinnSys terms and everything. So whatever you want to read, understand or learn, you can get through search. On the right hand side, you see this is a indexed format. Like it starts from how to reach us, then there is a FinnSys Academy, general walkthrough, then you get lot many other things, and there are different topics which we keep updated from time to time. And you get new user training section also, like if when you join FinnSys, you need to learn about it and do that kind of training. So there are different training, different sections which we cover, like lead generation programs, and you understand how to generate new customers and other things. So do browse about it. So these are few topics it's shown here, and I'm just indicating that for you. So you can get like MP DDQ queries are being given in details, like whosoever is um, going for DDQ can take references from here. There is a chat window which I just opened it. You can straight away chat from here also, and it's open 24 hour, but reply generally gets between 10 to 6 only on the weekday. And in your admin panel also you get this chat icon here, so you can straight away put your query from the chat window also. Whatever you write in the chat window also gets converted to the ticket. So you have both the options. Either you go through here, or you go through the support ticket system.